Hi guys, this is Peva. Welcome to my vlog. I am in Kolkata right now and I'm at College Street. You can see that, a lot of bookstores. I'm so excited to show you guys Kolkata. Oh my god, I'm so excited to be here after 3 years. And I'm here with my sister Dishan. Hi. So I see there are a lot of bookstores here. Ashpo, Dada, Ashpo.
What kinds of books? Hello.
Yeah, I will come again.
No books at all.
I will come. I don't know if you know it or not, but this place is the largest book market in India.
You get second-hand books at cheaper rate, and your second-hand rate, they'll be in good condition.
Across the street right here, this is Hindu School, which was established in 1817. Wow, that's really long time ago. Take both. We got 3 books at 300 rupees in the coffee house. This is like one of the most iconic buildings in Kolkata. I'm super thrilled right now. I am so happy to be here, sitting in this very place. किनभने यो जग्गा चाहिँ पहिला चाहिँ हाम्रो ग्रेट फ्रिडम फाइटर्सहरुको चाहिँ मिटिङ प्लेस थियो अरे, जता चाहिँ एकदम मिटिङहरु हुन्थ्यो है। हामी जस्तो फ्रिडम फाइटर्स जस्तो कि सुभाष चन्द्र बोस, रविन्द्रनाथ ट्यागोरहरु यहाँ चाहिँ एकदम मिटिङहरु गर्थे अरे। अनि I can't wait to taste the food of this place. I ordered fish kavi raji and she ordered chow mein as usual. So this is one of the popular items of this Indian coffee house. This is University of Calcutta. I don't know if you can see it. This is University of Calcutta. You the presidency, eh? This one is presidency. Oh, right next to each other. We are walking around New Market area and it is super crowded. Look at that. People are really crazy out here. It's funny how they are selling stuff like sister. That was very funny. Like, are they trying to sell stuff? They are trying to scare us away.
Oh sister, इधर देख लो, इसके अंदर वाटर भी डाल के जला। Oh sister,
ये चार्ज होता है lot. कम करो ना थोड़ा।
कितना पीस लगेगा?
एक ही पीस लेंगे।
2 पीस ले लो, कम करके लेगा।
नहीं 2 पीस नहीं चाहिए।
2 कलर है, 2 ले लिए।
This. It's day 2 in Kolkata and right now we are heading to Starbucks. And Starbucks we are like planning to go to Eco Park. Only brand Risa, Veromoda. Veromoda sounds like Japanese. or did I make it sound Japanese?
You made it sound like Japanese.
Veromoda. Veromoda. Thai, because I'm Thai. Sadika.
Would be difficult for them.
So we got our cup of cappuccino, Starbucks, and I asked her to write Pema, but Starbucks, like employee, let's say, they always get the name wrong. She was about to write Hema, but I asked her it's Pema, not Hema. I asked her to write P-E-M-A, Pema. So I had to literally spell my name. And Dishan Gache, she asked her to write
10 because they always get my name wrong. So
what is yours?
Instead, I got Chem. So apparently, I'm chemistry. Chem.
Right. So we are at Eco Park, and here's my ticket, and the entrance is from there. This place is really huge. We got map. here on the right side, in case if we get lost. And let me tell you guys, like Kolkata is not just famous for its rich culture and heritage, but also it's famously known for its ecotourism park in India. So here check the my favorite place. So every time I come to Kolkata, I come here because it's always fun to be here. Ticket price is only 30 rupees. So 30 you can come here and take a stroll around this huge park and take pictures. Yes, it's a beautiful sunset.
You guys can go to Darjeeling Fort here, toy train. You can just sit there and then enjoy.
We are going to have a duo cycle ride.
एक साइकिल लेने के लिए आपको 500 देना पड़ेगा, बाद में फिर भी रिटर्न हो जाएगा 150 for 30 minutes.
Oh, you have to pay 500 rupees.
अहिले अन्त 150 return हुन्छ.
Okay.
You'll get 50 back.
Okay, let's do it, eh? Don't tell me that. Please don't. I'm nervous. I can't hold it. Oh, this one.
Is it blinking now?
Yeah, blinking. It's recording.
Okay.
I don't think it's recording your face.
Okay.
Yes.
So I wanted to show the beautiful sunset in the background.
Oh, okay.
I think you have to take it. Take it over. You have to.
Wait. We're walking towards the Eiffel Tower. Did I tell you that here you can find replicas of 7 wonders of the world? Oh my god! That's Eiffel Tower, the replica! Why am I so excited about the replica? You can also go Matinira, Baraja. You have to get the ticket. Or you have to get ticket, and there's a lift that takes you up higher, like Pyasama, and then you can take pictures from there, and you get down and then come back. So that's the replica of Eiffel Tower. It's day 3 in Kolkata. We are heading towards the oldest and the biggest museum in Asia. This is the main entrance to the Indian Museum. How much is the ticket?
It's 50 bucks per person.
50 bucks per person. So, okay, now we will get in. I'm not sure if they're gonna allow videography. So, if not, then I will be posting pictures. Maybe as you enter the museum, the first thing you see is the courtyard right in between the building. And I just came to know that you can take pictures or videos around the compound, right? So I'm just gonna show you guys around. So we are in the first floor of this museum, this building, and right at that you have a powerful gallery. And we have Egyptian gallery. I'm excited to 4,000 years old mummy. So I just can't wait to see it. I'll definitely gonna show you guys. Oh my god, this is so huge. That's the skull of Blue Whale. Wow. It's really giant. So that's the entrance to the Egyptian gallery, and we just saw mummy.
4,000 years old mummy.
4,000 years old mummy, and I'm so sorry that I couldn't take pictures, the video kina bhane like I said no photography allowed. We just escaped Indian Museum but we are headed to Prinsep Ghat. Prinsep Ghat ko sunset ekdam dami huncha bhane suneko thiye. I don't know मतलब हामी गएको छुइनँ इट्स गोना बी आवर फर्स्ट टाइम अनि म्युजियम चाहिँ एकदम राम्रो लाग्यो मलाई एकदम राम्रो थियो वाज लाइक दे हेभ लट अफ ओल्ड कलेक्सन्सहरू अनि इफ यु आर इन्ट्रेस्टेड एन्ड यु मस्ट गो एन्ड चेक द्याट प्लेस आउट So finally we are here at the Prinsep Ghat. Look at the architecture. This was suggested by one of my Instagram followers. भन्ने मलाई कि यहाँ आउनु राम्रो छ सनसेट दामी देख्छ भनेर. You can also go for boating है. यो monument चाहिँ छ देख्नुहुँदैछ. This was built in the memory of James Prinsep who was an English scholar. So this यो चाहिँ monument यसको नाममा चाहिँ बनाएको हो अनि it was built a long time ago. Line हेर्नुहोस् just to get on the boat. So do you recommend this place?
Not really. Let's see the lights show it.
Yeah, it lights up. So the thing is, you know, तपाईँहरूले यो प्लेसमा आउनु सक्नुहुन्छ इट्स बिट फर यु हेभ टु गेट डाउन एट बाबुघाट अनि त्यहाँदेखि यु हेभ टु वक टु गेट हियर एन्ड हियर त्यस्तो केही छैन एउटा ग्राउन्ड छ एन्ड देन दिस मोनुमेन्ट इन द मेमोरी अफ प्रिन्सेप अनि यता चाहिँ घाट छ यु हेभ टु वक अ बिट एन्ड देन यु गेट अ घाट एन्ड देन यु क्यान टेक अ राइड अन अ बोट which is like around 400 rupees, right? And then or else you just can sit and watch the bridge lights up, right? We are waiting for it, but it's not happening. Okay guys, so we waited for the bridge to light up tara bhaina. That's a bummer. Tara eta chai bhairako cha. So it looks really good at night and I don't really recommend this place. Honestly bhanum bhane yo place is actually a lover's point rahecha ani this place is really good for photographers because photography is dami niskhincha yabata ani tyo boating garnu man cha bhane you can come here and do boating for 400 rupees. It's day 4 in Calcutta and today is windy day. Today we are going to explore Kumortuli bhanne jaga. So guys, we are at Kumortuli अनि यसलाई चाहिँ पोटर्स क्वार्टर पनि भन्छ यता चाहिँ एकदमै यहाँ चाहिँ भगवानको मूर्तिहरू बनाउँछ सो इट्स लाइक बेसिकली आइडल मार्केट यो प्लेस चाहिँ बेसिकली कम्स अलाइभ ड्युरिङ द दुर्गा पूजाको टाइममा अरे यता चाहिँ एकदमै जग्गा जग्गाबाट अर्डर्सहरू आउँछ अरे टु मेक होइन दुर्गा माताको मूर्तिहरू একটা মূর্তি ফিনিশ করার জন্য কত সময় লাগে
কিন্তু টাইম ঠিক নেই বুঝলো করলে আপনি তাড়াতাড়ি করলে আমার 4 দিনে করতে পারবো 5 দিনে করে দেবো আমার 10 দিনে লাগবে আবার এক্ষুনি বললে এক্ষুনি দিয়ে দেবো
এক্ষুনি
এক্ষুনি বললে এক্ষুনি দিয়ে দেবো
it's hot. It's hot. This chai is hot. तपाईँले देख्नुहुँदैछ बिल्डिङ यो बिल्डिङ चाहिँ पुतुलबारी भन्छ बेङ्गलीमा also called हाउस अफ डल्स इङ्ग्लिसमा अनि यो प्लेस चाहिँ लाइक हन्टेड भन्छ मोस्ट हन्टेड प्लेस इन कलकत्ता भन्छ यो चाहिँ लाइक पहिला चाहिँ एकदमै पहिलाको ब्रिटिस टाइममा चाहिँ एकदम धनी बेङ्गली बाबुहरू बस्थ्यो अरे जो चाहिँ यहाँ बसेर चाहिँ होइन डान्सर्सहरू बोलाएर उनीहरूलाई रेपहरू गर्थ्यो अरे होइन अनि मर्डर गर्थ्यो अरे अनि यहीँ यो गाड्थ्यो अरे त्यो भएर चाहिँ त्यो डान्सर्सहरूको भूत चाहिँ एकदमै छ भन्छ बट देयर इज लाइक अनदर स्टोरी पनि छ जस्तो कि यो माथि देख्नु हुँदैछ आई विल शो यु गाइस यता माथिपट्टि चाहिँ एउटा डल छ यो बिल्डिङको ओनरको छोरी चाहिँ एकदमै सी ह्याड अब्सेसन विथ डल्स अनि जब ऊ ठुलो हुँदै गयो उसले चाहिँ यो एन्टायर बिल्डिङ चाहिँ डल्स डेकोरेट गरेको थियो अरे अनि पछि चाहिँ सी मेट विथ एन एक्सिडेन्ट अनि त्यतिकै उसको त्यो स्पिरिट चाहिँ यो बिल्डिङमा छ भन्छ होइन आई मेट सम वान ब्याक दे आर सेइङ द्याट इट्स अल फेक इट्स रुमर्स मात्रै हो गड नोस यो चाहिँ सच हो कि होइन इफ इट्स ट्रु अर नट तर द स्टोरी एन्ड एभ्रिथिङ फेसिनेट्स मी अ लट एन्ड द्याट्स वाइ यो स्टोरीले गर्दा आई केम हियर टु सी दिस बिल्डिङ अनि यतापट्टि टु द राइट साइड यतापट्टि चाहिँ घाट छ कुमारतली घाट अनि यु क्यान कम हियर एन्जोय द भ्यू अफ दिस हुगली रिभर Okay guys, we are back at Kumartali Road and it's time for me to end this vlog. You know, that was all I could show you in this vlog this time. Calcutta ma aera धेरै मजा आयो, धेरै नयाँ नयाँ चीजहरु देख्नु पाए, घुम्नु पाए, एक्सपिरियन्स गर्नु पाए. And the city of joy, Calcutta, never fails to amaze me. Every time I आउँदा it feels like it's my first time. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this vlog as much as I enjoyed showing you guys around. Okay guys, see you in my next vlog. Bye.
Bye.